In this video, let us see about encoder and decoder. What are the real-time applications of this encoder and decoder? You go to some vegetable shop or fruit shop, they will type some value here. Either 1, 2 or 1, 1 or something they will enter here, but it will display the cost of the corresponding vegetable you have taken. So how this conversion takes place? Or you take some vending machine, you simply type some number 0, 1 or 1, 2, something you type, the corresponding cool drink bottle will come out. So all these are applications of encoders and decoders. So let us see about these two now. What is a decoder? It is a combinational circuit. What do you mean by combinational circuit? For different input combinations, you will get some output. For example, I have taken a 2 cross 4 decoder. It means that it has 2 input and 4 outputs. So a decoder converts the input or binary information present in the input lines. It will convert to the output line. So any one line will be active depending upon your input combination. So only one output will be active at any time depending upon the input. In decoder, if you see clearly, there is one more bit called enable bit. What is that bit? This bit controls the operation of decoder. It means that only if you give the enable bit or if the enable bit is active, this conversion will take place. With this enable bit is 0 or it is not activated, whatever input I give, there will be no output. For example, you take this vending machine. I am entering some value here, no bottle will come. What I have to do? I have to give the money. So here, once you put the money, the enable bit will be activated and some bottle will come out. So it is similar to this vending machine. Only if some enable bit is made high, conversion will take place. So if enable bit is 0, all output will be low. If enable bit is high, any one of the output will be high. Now let us write the table for this 2 to 4 decoder. So this is input, we have 3 bits. A and B are 2 input and we have another enable bit. So if enable bit is 0, whatever input I give, so I have made it as XX to denote that whatever its value is, the output will be 0. But if enable bit is high, if my input is 0, 0, I will get the output in Y0. And if my input is 0, 1, output will be coming through Y1. And if my input is 1, 0, Y2 will produce the output. And if the input is 1, 1, Y3 will produce the output. So at any time, only one output will be high. Now let us draw the circuit for this binary decoder. You see here 2 bits are their input bits. Let us take it as A and B here. To get A bar, pass through an inverter. So this triangle with the bubble represents the inverter. So this is A bar and this is B bar. So 4 input lines. And one more thing, you need a enable bit. So you see here in all AND gates, the green line represents the enable bit. So that should be connected to all the lines. Now what is when you will get output at Y0? When both A and B are 0, that is A bar and B bar. So connect A bar line and B bar line to the first AND gate. For second case, A bar B. So A bar is here, B is this red line, so connected to the second AND gate. So similarly you can do for the remaining things. So binary decoder design is very easy. Next we will see about 3 to 8 decoder. That is, when you have 3 input, there will be 8 combinations. So it is a 3 to 8 decoder, and this is the enable bit. So enable bit, if it is 0, whatever input you give, output is going to be 0. If enable bit is 1 only, for different combinations you will get the output. So you can see here, for each combination only one output will be high. Now let us implement the full adder using decoder. Already we have seen about full adder design in the previous video. You can refer to the link in the description. So full adder is used to add 3 bits at any time. A, B and carry in. 3 bits are taken and it will produce sum and carry as the output. So if you have 3 bits, you have to choose a 3 cross 8 decoder. Suppose you have only 2 bits like half adder, a 2 to 4 decoder is sufficient. Now this is the table for the full adder. So 3 input, already we have done it. If you want, you can refer to it in the previous video. So you write the sum and carry for each combination of the input. So for sum, you see which are the min terms are high. So sum is equal to M1, M2, M4 and M7. And for carry, it is M3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So sum and carry we have noted down from the truth table. Now let us design the full adder using decoder. So it's a 3 cross 8 decoder. So 3 inputs are there and 8 outputs are there. Sum you can get by 1, 2, 4, 7. Okay. So it is a summation symbol. It means that it is a OR gate. So take an OR gate, connect first pin, second pin, fourth and seventh pin. To get the carry as output, 3, 5, 6, 7 should be OR together. Okay. It's very easy to implement a full adder using a decoder. Next we will see about encoder. So encoder is also a combinational circuit that will perform just opposite to that of a decoder. So decoder we saw 2 inputs are there and 4 output are there, and only one output will be active at any time. You see an encoder, here 4 inputs are there and 2 outputs are there. But only one input will be active at any time. So here input only one will be active at any time. So if Y3 is active, a corresponding code will be generated here. The best example is you take your system password. If I type letter K, for example, I am taking some K or any one letter, a corresponding code will be generated in the system. So this is the encoder. So for truth table of encoder, so 4 inputs are there and only one input is active in any time. So if Y0 is active, it will produce 0, 0 as output. If Y1 is active, it will produce 0, 1 as output. For Y2, 1, 0 is the output, and for Y3, 1 1 is the output. Now let us write the expression for A naught. So A naught is high when y1 is high and y3 is high. So I can write A naught is equal to y1 plus y3. That is, OR gate is here. If any one of the input is high, A naught will be high. Next, A1. To get A1, y2 and y3 can be high. So if any of the two inputs is high, A1 can give you a high output. So let us, with these two equations, let us design the encoder. Y1 plus Y3. You give it to a OR gate, Y1 and Y3. So you will get A naught. Y2 and Y3 will give you A1. Now we will see what is that 8 cross 3 encoder. Same thing, only one input will be active at any time, and corresponding to that input a code, 3-bit code will be enabled here. So input, and this is the output. So to get A naught, y1 is high, then y3 is high, y5, y7. So if any of these are high, A naught will give you a high output. Similarly, we can write for A1 and A2 also. So this is for A1 and this is for A2. A2 will be high if any of these 4 bits are high. So let us design the 8 cross 3 encoder. So you need 3 OR gates. Here for A0, A1 and A2, A0 you have to connect Y1 3 5 7. So 1 3 5 7. Like that you can design it. Let us see the difference between encoder and decoder. So encoder is a combinational circuit that converts input signal into binary code. You will be giving only one input at any time and it produces a corresponding binary code. Decoder, you will give 2-bit code here and it only one output will be active at any time. So here input lines are 2 power n lines are there and output lines are n. Decoder just opposite. In encoder mostly we use OR gate, because equations you can see only OR gate is used. Decoder you need AND gate and NOT gate. Encoders are mostly used for robotics, industrial automation and position sensing, especially for to measure the position of the rotor they use encoder. Decoders are used in microprocessors, 7-segment display, multiplexer, everything. Encoders are installed at the message transmitting end, while decoders are present at the receiving end. Encoder is a simple process, while decoder is somewhat complex compared to encoder. If you want to know about combinational circuit, adder, subtractor, or about other topics in digital electronics, you can refer to this website. So in playlist you can check all these subjects of electrical and electronics engineering. If you like the video, do subscribe to Read Electric Vehicle and share it with your friends. Thank you.